You done uploaded your first video, you ready to go, you popping, you finna get it rolling, like you finna be a celebrity or whatever the case may be.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kid Cole and I'm back with a video. What is up, y'all? I am super excited because guess what?
Your girl hit 1,000 subscribers.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ho. I'm just saying. It's Kid Cole. I'm sure a lot of you are going to be new to my channel after I do this video. But if you are interested, on my channel I do a lot of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and soon to be YouTube support videos. So welcome, what's up? Make sure you subscribe. Like, you might as well hit that button right now because you're going to feel the vibe, the energy, the everything. The notification bell, so you can see any videos that I post and you'll be the first one to know about it. So what's up? Today I wanted to come and do a video for all of my small YouTubers out there. Anybody who's new to YouTube and you have no guidance, you don't know what to do, where to turn, welcome. You're in the right place. So we finna open up YouTube one-on-one. I wanted to come and give back, like the things that I wish someone would have told me that I had to learn along the way. So I figured, why not do a video about this? Because everybody need to know. I wanted to come today and let you guys know what apps you can use as a small YouTuber to go along your YouTube journey. So we're gonna just jump right into it. Once you get your YouTube app, you done uploaded your first video, you ready to go, you popping, you finna get it rolling, like you finna be a celebrity or whatever the case may be. The first app that I would say is YouTube Tracker. So with YouTube Tracker, as you all know, we need 1,000 subscribers and we need 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. So this app shows you a cute little grid like this, and it tells you how far you've come. That's just the basic. This is a free app, but you can also purchase to get a lot of more perks. So the next app that I'm going to go to is TubeBuddy. It shows all of your videos that you posted, how many views that you have on that video. It shows the comments, the likes, the dislikes, and everything like that. But what I also love about this app, if I was to click on one of my videos, it'll give me like 6 important things that they feel that you should have on your video for it to be more noticeable. A green check mark, or it'll do a yellow explanation point to tell you that, okay, maybe you can improve it a lot more. Plus about this app is that it also helps you with tags. I'm not going to go into much detail because I don't want to make this video too long, but this is a really good app for those who are starting out with YouTube. So now we're going to switch it over a little bit or whatever. So I wanted to go into video editing. When I first started editing, I was using iMovie. It's really cool because I was using it on my computer, but then I started using it on my phone on the app. Now, the only thing that I don't like on the app is the things that you can use, like less text, less transitioning. It doesn't have a lot of things that you could do when you're editing your video. So that's why I didn't like iMovie on my phone. When I try to airdrop it to my computer, it took forever. So iMovie is the first app that I would say if you guys want to use to edit your videos. This is another app, so it's gonna be like it ain't gonna be a compared video, but we can put this under one when it comes to editing. So another app that I recently started using was KimMaster. I hope I'm saying that right. So I use now KimMaster to edit my videos. It has way more transitions. It has a lot of different fonts. It also has music. It also has sound effects. Not that iMovie doesn't have sound effects, but it has like a little bit more in depth. So I really love KimMaster. How I learned how to use these apps, because I wasn't a pro at first. Everybody's not tech savvy. I went on YouTube. I saw videos on how to do this, how to do that. So if you want to learn how to use these apps, just search on YouTube. Everything is on YouTube. It's like the Google. Like, just how to edit on KimMaster. That's it. It's easy. So those are 2 editing apps that you can use. And recently I met this photographer, and he told me about an app that you can also use. So this is like a 3-in-1 package deal, y'all. We still on number 3. So you can either use iMovie, KinMaster, or Video Leap. Now I tried to start using that one, but it's like by the time I'm ready to edit, I'm just ready to get my video out there, and I don't feel like learning how to use the app all over again. He suggested that one, but when it came to like a transition or a text, I didn't like it, so I went back to KinMaster. There's many different apps that you can use on your computer. I know a lot of people talk about Final Cut Pro, but that's something that you'll have to pay for. Now these apps that I mentioned, they're totally free, but everything like any other app, when you try to advance to the next level, that's when you're gonna start paying money. But it's not a lot. It may be like $2.99, $9.99, $6.99 when you want like the special effects, but that's it. So on your computer, you can use iMovie or Final Cut Pro, but Final Cut Pro is not on the phone. Only iMovie, KinMaster, and Video Leap. I know there are other apps that you can use to edit, so I'm not saying that these are the absolute like YouTube apps to edit your videos. You can use any app that you want at all, but I'm just letting you know the ones that I've used so far. Don't kill me, because I know I saw like InShot and all that stuff. Now they also have watermarks that you'll see, like when you're finished editing, it'll say KinMaster at the top. You can also pay to get that removed, so I think it's like $2.99 or $9.99. That's when you add the subscription, and they'll remove it from your video when you post it. That's, if you ask me, that's a little ghetto, so you might want to pay the little, like, come on now, you invested in your brand, your video, so I would say get it removed, get the watermark removed, because that look real ghetto and tacky. Like, okay, this 2020, you can afford $9.99 app, okay? I don't know your pockets, but it's ghetto. I'm just telling you that. Number 4, I'm gonna jump into thumbnails. So another 2 apps that I like when it comes to thumbnails are PicMonkey and Canva. I know a lot of people already know about Canva. Really good for absolutely anything that you want to do. It's not just for thumbnails. You can make flyers, you can make Instagram like little posts, you can make YouTube channel, art channel. The thing I love about these 2 is that they have templates where you could just put your own picture and your own text in it, so it's a lot easier than starting from scratch. So just imagine if you making a thumbnail and you like, okay, so what am I gonna put on there? Like, you can also remove backgrounds as well. So let's say if I want to take a picture right now, and on that app I can put remove background, but you have to pay for it, you guys. Nothing in life is free. It's not free, you have to pay. So you can remove this whole entire background and add another background or add a color or whatever you want, and then you can add your font. Now with these 2 apps, you can use them on your phone, but I feel like PicMonkey is so much better on the computer because it gives you more options. Like when you do it on your phone, it doesn't give you those free templates that you could choose from. So what I like to do, if I'm not sure how I want to edit my thumbnail, I'll pick one of the free templates, and then I'll just take their picture out, I'll take their background out, and then let's say if I like how the font is, then I'll just change the words and I'll just change the picture. So it's a lot easy. Also, if you don't want to pay the extra money for the background remover, there's another app called Magic Eraser. I don't know if this is a part of the 5. Like at this point, I'm just throwing them out there because you know how you do something just to grab somebody's attention. I'm gonna put 5. I don't want to put 10 because then they're gonna be like, you're doing too much. So I'm gonna just put 5, but I might give y'all a little bit more. So Magic Eraser is really good for removing backgrounds as well. If you don't want to pay the extra money on Canva or PicMonkey. Another good one is YouTube Studio. Now, it's a part of YouTube, so it's an official YouTube affiliated app. This one is good because this is kind of like the YouTube buddy, but it also tells you your analyst, which is very important when you're looking at your videos. It tells you like, okay, what times do you get the most watch time? It tells you how your videos are doing right now. But for me, I kind of feel like it's not 100% accurate or up to time or up to date. as YouTube Buddy, because on YouTube Buddy you'll see the numbers flying through as soon as you open the app. But then when it comes to the YouTube Studio, I kind of feel like they lack and they're behind. So I'm going to show you an example, especially on the YouTube app. So let's say if I go to one of my videos right now, it may say that I have about 400 or 300 views, and then on YouTube Buddy it might say 500 or 600. Like, y'all playing with me. Like, I'm popping. Like, why would y'all? Because then what it's gonna do is it's showing the people who are watching your video right now, that's how many views you have. So I kind of don't like it, but then I like it. So it's good to have the YouTube Studio on your phone, because you can put it's like a shortcut. You don't have to go on your computer to do everything. You can upload your thumbnails on there. You can add cards. You can add your end screen. If you don't know what an end screen is, it's when you ever seen when the video is over and then they have like a cute little background in some videos and they picture. That's the end screen, and it says subscribe. So it's just like a quick way to maneuver to the rest of their videos. So yeah. But YouTube Studio is also good, so I'll put it in the first category when it comes to TubeBuddy and YouTube Tracker. All of these are very important if you want to keep up with how your channel is growing and how your videos are doing. So you just want to make sure that you have all of these apps on your phone. I'm not saying that you need to edit on your phone. I'm not saying you need to download all of these apps. But these are things that I wish people would have told me about when I first started, because I didn't know any of these apps. I hope this video is very helpful. Like, don't bash me if it wasn't, but I'm sure you ain't have at least 3 of those apps. So I kind of put you on game. I gave you a little bit of tea or whatever the case may be. But y'all comment below if you have an app that you feel like is very useful, but also say what it's for. Don't just say, oh, I use Jibber Jabber, and then it's like, okay, well, what the hell is that? Like, try to explain what it is or what you use it for or why is it helpful. But I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. I didn't want to make it too long, so I couldn't really jump into all of the pros and cons of the apps, but they're very useful. I would say download them. If you feel like it's not necessary after the first month that you see that, okay, I really don't need this app, then hey, delete it. If you are new to my channel, and I know a lot of y'all gonna be new to my channel, please subscribe. Like, even if you're a gamer or whatever, because just subscribe because I'm cute or whatever and you want to see my face every often or whatever. But yeah, just subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.